Hello! Welcome back to PuppetWood. Got a nice surprise for you today. I found some old footage of Ron making a twig vase. And I added some voiceover, and I'm going to play it for you now. Let's go! Okay, we are starting out here with a piece of pallet wood, and I believe it to be oak, although I'm not sure. The tool that we're using here is a square carbide cutter. It's a homemade tool on the handle is made from an old tire tool. And here we switch to the round carbide cutter. The square carbide cutter is good for taking off a good amount of material at a time, and the round one seems to work better to smooth out the roughness. This is a parting tool, and it's used to part the piece off of the block of wood. Files usually aren't used in wood turning, but it seemed to work good in this situation. Now doing some sanding. We noticed that there was a crack starting in the end of it, so we put on some CA glue to keep it from flying apart on us. Some more sanding. Now it's time to drill the hole for the twig. Moving that tool holder up so that we can clean up the end of it, make the hole more attractive. A little too far away right there. There we go, that's much better. Nice to put a little taper on it right there. Although we don't want to go too much right there, because we do know that the wood is cracked. That CA glue can only hold so much. More sanding. Putting on a coat of wood conditioner. It helps to keep the stain from soaking in more in one spot than others, make it more even. And now it's time for the stain. Polishing it up with some number 0 steel wool. Right here we are using the parting tool to finish up the bottom as much as possible without actually removing the base from the block of wood. Now we're going to apply a coat of lacquer to it. now we're giving it a quick polish with a buffing rag. We need to be very careful at this point because there's not much holding it on there. We don't want it to come flying off there. Now that finished parting. Of course, this was done after the lacquer has had time to dry. Cleaning up the bottom. So I'm burning in the logo. The logo at this time was MW logo for Maxwell Woodworking. And there we got some flowers in it. There's the final product. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. Remember to leave a comment below, leave us a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.